So there are many studies in adult mice and some studies in adult cohorts showing that microbiota is affecting immune system function. Now, how microbiota is affecting immune development, you have very, very few data about that, and many have just extrapolated data from a very well developed human or mice to the neonate. So I think that currently the answer is we know very little thing. What I would like to give as a message is that microbiota impact on an adult immune system is absolutely not the same as impact on a neonate, and we have to understand why. And all the immune system, the barrier is very different, and so currently we see, of course, much more flexibility in the neonate, so that you can more have long-term consequences that you don't see if you act on an adult. So another information is microbiota has certainly non-specific effect. It can just increase the growth of the lymphoid organ, increase the development of immune tissue in the gut. But at the same time, it had some skewing effect, differentiation of certain response, and some bacteria looks like to induce more regulatory response. This is like the bifidobacteria, which are promoted by breastfeeding. So what is also known from the adult, there are some bacteria that can have some specific effects. Some bacteria favor more regulatory response, meaning no allergy, no inflammation in the gut, and maybe also no inflammation in your whole body. And other bacteria are more pro-inflammatory. And of course, it's nice to understand why some bacteria do that, while the other do bad things. And here comes the nutrition, because bacteria can be considered as a machine to produce metabolites that influence your immune function locally and systemically. And in particular, short-chain fatty acid produced by some bacteria are very important for regulation. And so in early life, how do you get those short-chain fatty acid from bacteria while you have no bacteria in your gut? So then the magic of breast milk comes. Breast milk brings oligosaccharides that favor the growth of some bacteria that are capable to metabolize those famous sugar into regulatory molecules. So that's a kind of answer to your big question.